Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Alright, this one came all the way from Italy. The package came, I believe, Tuesday. And I just start opening it now because I worked overtime for the past 2 days. Alright, here's the first one. Here it is. It is a Spartan Smeal 105-foot aerial truck made by IXO Models in 1/43 scale. The colors can look familiar. Let's open it out of the box. Taped up, and there's twist ties. Great. You know what, I'm not even going. Here it is, Aerial Tower 1. Yes, it does have a pump, I understand that, but it is what it is. It's a was a reprint or redesign or something. Yep, Aerial Tower 1, but there's no CFD logo on it. What is in the CFD colors though? No, I didn't buy one. I bought two. Why did I buy two? Well, one's going to be well, I'm probably going to showcase it on Facebook. The first one, I'm going to put the correct markings on it. And the second one, I don't know. Might be Truck 81. Or a Academy truck. What do you guys think? Should the second truck be Truck 81? Or an Academy truck? Or Truck 8? I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, yeah, that's the unboxing for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.